of the homework we haven't gone over. I think you can handle adding another field to a form and making it take, so I'm not going to do that one. But I will fix the ID problem, just in case you didn't. So the problem, if we remember, let's do so app.dynos is the array. If we look at all the IDs, I have 3, 2, 1, 4. If I get rid of something from the middle, I got rid of 2. We refresh. Now we have 3, 1, 4. And what happens if I add 1? Four, 3, 1, 4. I have 2 4s. So what's happening? When I load them from local storage, I call add dyno repeatedly. Every time through, it increments max. So max is always going to be equal to the number of them, which may include some IDs that have already been used. If there are only 2 items on there and they happen to be numbers 5 and 6, I'm going to start reusing IDs, right? Because max will only be 2. So the next one's going to have an ID of 3, then 4, then 5, which we already have. So what can we do instead? Instead of always incrementing it, what if we said, did anybody fix this? Who fixed this? What'd you do, sorry? Okay. Gotcha. Okay. That will work, but I'm going to set a rule that we can't change the IDs. Because what if those IDs are also in some database somewhere? Did you change the IDs, Zoe? All right. No problem. I'm not trying to make you feel bad for that solution. That is a fine solution. It's just not the one I'm going to do. What I'm going to say is instead of always incrementing it, I'm going to say if the ID of this one that I just added, dyno.id, is greater than the max, don't just increment it. Set this.max to that ID. So if I'm adding one that has an ID of 5, it'll instantly set the max to 5. Because what we want max to actually hold is the highest value for ID that we have. So this will ensure that that always happens. As we add them back to the page, it'll always make sure that this.max is the highest ID that we have. So let's refresh again. Let's get rid of this, this bogus one. So the IDs we have right now are, again, 3, 1, 4. Let's get rid of yet another one. Let's get rid of number 1. So we have 3 and 4. Let's add one. What do we have? Triceratops in that. T-Rex, Patasaurus, and Diplodocus or Icus? Diplodocus? Diplodocus? I don't know, man. Diplodocus. Oh, yeah. See? Diplodocus. All right. Here we go. Seven, 6, 5, 3, 4. We started counting at 5 because 3 and 4 were there. So this .max got changed to 3 when it added that one, and it got changed to 4 when it added that one, instead of going up to 1 and 2. So it always holds the highest ID value. that it has encountered. It's fixed, which means that we'll never have that issue of it deleting the wrong one. Fix max ID calculation.